Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to find dot product and the cross product of a vector by using your calculator. And after watching this video you will be able to save your much valuable time, and this will be helpful in your competitive exam as well as in your terminals. So get ready with your calculator and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to find dot product of two vector, let's say vector A is equals to is vector B. Let's vector B is equal to R. So let's first find dot product of these two vector. So to find the dot product, go to this mode, press this mode button. Then in 8 number you can see vector is written. So press 8. There are three memories: vector A, vector B and vector C. So you can save this vector A in any one of these. There is no any necessity that you have to save this vector A in only vector A. This is only a memory. So you can save this vector in either vector A, vector B or vector C. Let's say I want to save this vector A in vector A. So press 1. So press 1 and then here is calculator is asking is the vector is 3 by 3 vector or 2 by 2. So our vector is 3 by 3, so press this and it is now 1. So press 1. Press 1. So I have now put this value 3. Press equal to shift. Press equal to shift this. Press equal. After 3 this 2. Again press equal button. Then minus, here is minus k, that is minus 1. So minus 1. You do not have to put I, j, k, only put these numerical values. It is 3, is 2 and there is minus 1. So I have stored all this value. To save this, press this AC button. AC. Now we have saved our this A. Now to save B, to store B, then press shift plus here in 5 number, here you see in here is vector is written in red color. So shift plus 5. Shift plus 5. Then back. Then to save B, press 2. Data. That is data. Press 2. 2. Then in number 1 we have already saved our vector A. So we can't save vector B in same memory. They are different memory. So for vector B we can save in any one of these, either vector B or vector C, but not in vector A because vector A already contain a vector, that this vector. So we can store this vector B in vector B or vector C. So let's say I want to store this in vector B. So press 2 and the size of vector is 3. So press 3. Press 1 for 3. Press 1. Now store this value is 1 minus 1 again 1. To save this, press AC button. I have saved my those both vectors. So now we can find dot product and cross product of this vector. So press shift plus 5 and in here press 3 for vector A, because our vector A is in this vector A. So press 3. Now for dot product, again go to shift plus 5 and here is in 7 number there is dot is written. So press 7 for dot product. You can see this dot. Again press shift plus 5, then vector b, because this is in vector b. This is saved in vector b, stored in vector b. So press 4. Now vector a dot vector b is equals to 0. So dot product of vector a and vector b is equal to 0. Now let's find the cross product. For cross product, the process is same. Press shift plus 5, then take vector a by pressing 3. I press 3. Then for cross product, directly press this cross button. So I pressing this vector a cross, again go to shift plus 5, then vector b, that is in 4 number, press 4. Now vector a cross vector b is equal to this. So we have our answer. This is 1, this is minus 4 and minus 5, that is I minus 4j minus 5k. So our answer is a cross b is equal to I minus 4k 4j sorry minus 4j minus 5k. So this is our answer, and I've forgotten to put this arrow on this, so don't forget this in exam. So see how easy is this, direct, and after practicing it you you would be able to find the dot product and cross product in just some seconds. It's your it will be so easy for you in examination, and you can top the exams in competitive exam. It will so helpful. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. A single like means a lot for me. Thank you.